Welcome to this unboxing of the brand new XHDATA D-109WB receiver. Now, this is the latest from XHDATA. It is listed at $44 on their website, $44 US. And this is a variation of the D-109 probably. We'll be testing it throughout the day today. So it adds something we don't see a lot on receivers, especially of this price, the NOAA weather radio bands for weather, and of course with alerts. So there's the warning alert, so it's pretty cool. So basically this is a long wave, medium wave, short wave, Bluetooth enabled music player as they call it, and of course with NOAA weather band and weather alert. So received this today. Let's check what's in the box. In the box we have the radio, a charging cable, and a manual. So the operator's manual for the XHDATA. So this is usually they're not that great in general, but hey, we're gonna go through it and see how it works and how it is constructed. Of course, this is mostly to charge the radio. It has an internal battery. And it uses lithium-ion batteries, not AA batteries or standard batteries that most people are used to. And inside is the radio, which looks very similar to the XHDATA D-109, except look at this orange button here, which isn't in the radio. And we'll be checking that out. There's few changes here. We're going to be looking at that. Of course, radio with a tuning knob on the right, and we have the antenna here, and in here is the battery, which is standard 18350 battery. So we're going to actually remove the little tap here and put the battery in, and the beeps just say that the battery is now inserted. I'll be, of course, recharging the battery before using the radio. So this is pretty interesting radio here, and we'll be looking at that. There's a little bit of still a little cold from being in the truck, so this shows you how quick the unboxing video is. So we're going to adjust the time, and so hopefully we're going to have a nice little radio. So it looks really a lot like the D-109, except that now it has a weather band option. So we'll see if it performs similarly as the D-109. D-109 is a little oversensitive, overloads easily, but in correct conditions does receive shortwave well, depending on how you use it. So this is going to be a lot of fun to check out. So the unboxing of the XHDATA D-109WB, which adds weather band and adds the capabilities of weather alert. So this is going to be pretty cool to play around with, and of course it can play Bluetooth and uses you can even use some SD cards, micro SD cards to play MP3s. As if it's like the D-109, the audio out of it is actually quite good and very surprising for the price. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up, and thank you for watching my videos.